people, I Aishwarya welcome you all to my channel Jackie 12. Today I have come up with a tutorial of this beautiful and classy necklace. After watching this tutorial, you will really enjoy making this necklace and also will definitely love to wear this. If you like this tutorial, do give a thumbs up. And if you are new here on my channel, I have a request for you all that my channel is new here on YouTube. So your one subscription will really means a lot to me. So do hit the subscribe button so that I can also bring amazing jewelry making videos like this in the future. And now let's get started. So the material required is beading wire, golden beads, these are 5 mm, pearl beads again 5 mm, these are oxidized pipes. You can get it in any size and design in the market. These are 8 mm glass beads. I have taken in red color. We need 30 gauge wire for earring making. These are diamond beads. These are very small jhumka caps. Necklace dori, as we are making a necklace. Lock beads, we need only 2. Jump rings, earring dangles for necklace making, of course, and basic material, that is plier, cutter and scissor. So now let's start with the necklace. So first of all, we will cut the necklace dori in approx 1 meter size like this, and then I will add these ends together, and from one side end I will insert a jump ring in this, and at the same time I will insert one lock bead or cream bead here to lock the necklace. So with these two taken together, I will bring this at another end like this, and will, with the help of plier, will press this firmly so that this one will get locked and this jump ring will get locked here, which we will use to attach necklace dori. Now we will insert golden bead and pearl beads in this, in the both wire. First of all, I am taking golden bead and then pearl bead. So I will add 10 of each of the beads, like 10 golden beads and then 10 pearl beads. So I will do that in a fast forward way. Okay, so as you can see, I have inserted 10 golden beads and 10 pearl beads in this, and now we will add another things like glass beads, these golden beads in each of these. So now, as you can see, as you have seen in the intro video, this is 2-layer necklace. So in the outer end there are 4 glass beads inserted, and in the inner end there are 3 glass beads inserted. So you have to decide which one will be outside. So here I am taking this wire at the outer end and this one in the inner end. So for that, what we will do is, first of all, we will insert one oxidized pipe, then one pearl bead, then one golden bead, then this jhumka cap, and then this glass beads, and again I will repeat it inversely, like jhumka cap, then diamonds bead, and then this one is pearl bead, and then again I'll insert one oxidized pipe. So as you can see, this is a sequence. So So we have to repeat the same sequence for overall necklace. So I'll do that and we'll come back to you. Now we will again repeat the same sequence here, like 10 pearl beads and 10 golden beads. So I'll do that and come back to you. So as you can see, our this beautiful necklace is ready. Isn't it very quick recipe? But now we will have to do a final joining. That is what I will do. I will again insert one log bead here. Now we have to do very carefully, and then I'll insert one jump ring in this, and now we have to remove these both beading wires from this single jump ring, single log bead, and as it is very tiny, you have to do lots of efforts to bring these wires from this log bead. If you want, you can pull them more, but don't stretch more, otherwise it will break away. And then this press firmly, and with the help of scissor, or if you want to take, you can take a cutter also. Cut this one. Now we will attach a necklace dori. For that I am opening this jump ring and I am adding this one end. Similarly, I will do here. Okay, so this very quick yet beautiful necklace is ready, and now let's make the earrings. So for earrings, I'm taking this 30 gauge wire and I'll cut it in a small portion to this. And then the sequence that we had in necklace, we will repeat the same sequence here. That is, first I'll insert one oxidized pipe. Okay, finally, then one pearl bead, then one diamond bead, then small jhumka cap, and in the middle we have this 8 mm glass bead. Again I'll repeat the same process. Okay, so done. We have added all the stuff. Now we will join them together. Now I'll insert this earring dangle and I will attach it firmly. Make sure to not wrap too much because this wire may get broke. I had that experience. And with this beautiful necklace set is ready. So don't you think it is very easy to make? If If you have all the material available, you can make it in just 15 to 20 minutes.
Do try to make this set. If you face any issue while making this necklace set, do let me know in the comments below so that I can solve that issue and also others can learn from it. If you like this video, do like, share, comment on it. And if you're new here, I request you to subscribe to my channel so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making designs like this. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. See you next time. Until then, this is Aishwarya signing off.